recording and documentation, does that include audio logs? Can this be perceived in a negative way in any capacity? Great question.
The family court is essentially quite uncomfortable with audio recordings and video recordings. They don't like them. Primarily they don't like them because they don't really have a mechanism to manage them, because it requires them to create broadcast equipment in the court we can use. So they're very uncomfortable with them. Where they're more uncomfortable is that a sizable proportion of audio recordings that are produced in the family court and video recordings that are produced in the family court are covert, i.e. the other side didn't know they were happening. And the court is becoming more and more uncomfortable with that, primarily because it is happening more and more often. I have a case running a couple of years ago where, a client might have had 2 30-second recordings of a party. Now, I'll have a same case running and they might have 50 audio recordings running over numerous hours. So the court is becoming quite uncomfortable. There are some new guidelines coming out from the court. I'll talk about them when they've come out, about how they're going to address the whole issue of audio recordings. So currently, it boils down to the judge. Some judges are overtly uncomfortable with audio and video recordings. They don't like it. They think the one side is setting the other side up, because what invariably happens is you goad somebody during an audio recording because it's being recorded. They don't. So you just push them and push them and push them in the hope that they'll just explode. And there you go. That's proved your point, hasn't it? So audio record by all means, video record by all means, record in note form by all means, but be careful how it is that you manage that into your family court process. And as I say, once the new guidelines